When it comes to surveying instruments and accessories, it is important to find reliable dealers who can provide high-quality products. In Noida Extension, there are several dealers who specialize in survey instrument accessories. These dealers offer a wide range of products, including DG piece receivers, total stations, theodolites, and other essential surveying equipment. They understand the importance of accurate measurements and strive to provide their customers with the best tools available in the market. One such dealer in Noida Extension is SCON Design. This company is known for its expertise in surveying instrument accessories and has been serving customers in the area for many years. They have a team of professionals who are well-versed in the latest technologies and trends in the surveying industry. With their knowledge and experience, they can guide customers in choosing the right instruments and accessories for their specific needs. SCON Design offers a comprehensive range of surveying instruments and accessories. Whether you need a new DG piece receiver or a replacement battery for your total station, they have you covered. They work with top manufacturers to ensure that their customers get access to the best quality products. Their inventory is regularly updated to keep up with the latest advancements in surveying technology. In addition to providing high-quality products, SCON Design also offers excellent customer service. Their team is always ready to answer any questions or concerns that customers may have. They understand that each customer has unique requirements and strive to provide personalized solutions. Whether you need a simple leveling rod or a sophisticated DG piece receiver, they have the right tools for you. Contact them today and experience their commitment to excellence in every aspect of their business. Finding trustworthy vendors who can offer top-notch goods is crucial when it comes to surveying tools and accessories. There are numerous merchants in Noida Extension that are experts in survey instrument accessories. These suppliers provide a wide selection of goods, such as DG piece receivers, total stations, theodolites, and other necessary surveying tools. They make an effort to give their customers the greatest instruments on the market because they recognize the value of precise measurements. SCON Design is one such retailer in Noida Extension. This business has long provided consumers in the region with its knowledge of surveying equipment accessories. They have a staff of experts who are knowledgeable about the most recent developments and fashions in the surveying sector. They can assist consumers in selecting the appropriate tools and accessories for their unique needs, thanks to their expertise and knowledge. SCON Design provides a wide selection of surveying tools and supplies. They can help you out with anything from a new DG piece receiver to a whole station batteries. To guarantee that their consumers have access to the highest caliber items, they collaborate with leading producers. They frequently update their inventory to reflect the most recent developments in surveying technology. SCON Design